top 5 things to consider when selecting a PLM system. For product manufacturers, a successful PLM strategy can bring together people and processes to drive innovation. IT is on the front line of PLM deployments, and lowering cost of PLM ownership in respect to time, resources, and money will help your organization meet your business goals. You want a PLM solution and technology partner that will not only help you lower your cost of PLM ownership, but also future-proof your PLM journey, with years of experience and industry best practices baked into integrated solutions based on an agile, modern architecture. Selecting a PLM solution can be overwhelming. Here are the top 5 things to consider when making your decision. Number 1. When evaluating PLM technology, consider cost holistically to get a realistic scope of your required PLM spend. Beware of the free software pitch. A free download may get you started with software, but is there enough in the freeware to address your business requirements? And can you get an accurate reading of performance and scalability of the software using freeware? Do base modules of the software go deep enough to cover your core business use cases? Or will you need to pay more for add-on functions? How easy is it to get started? Whether you get freeware or purchase licenses, is the software too complicated to deliver immediate value? Number 2, what are your PLM deployment options? Is the PLM system cloud ready, and do you have flexibility in choosing your cloud provider? Will you be working with experts who can recommend deployment best practices based on years of experience? Would IT have access to a web-based tool used to efficiently upgrade and monitor the system? Will you implement a solution that's been molded to the industry you work in and allows you to immediately benefit from PLM without the need for heavy customization? And should new requirements emerge, is a framework in place to allow administrators to configure changes versus requiring IT resources to customize? Number 3. Would the PLM solution you're evaluating make you better at developing your product? Does it work well with your authoring apps to make your users more productive? Does it have high-quality deep CAD integrations with robust functionality that makes your designers better at their job? Or is it too light to be useful? Would the system manage reuse and approve materials libraries in PLM and grant access to designers using CAD? Does the system help you integrate people across domains so that hardware, software, electronics, and simulation can work together? Or would they still be limited to a siloed file archive connecting with the PLM system? Does the system have an open architecture to allow for integrations to existing systems? Number 4, will you have the security options needed to keep your IP safe? Nothing is more valuable to your business than product information, and PLM solutions that do not offer out-of-the-box capabilities to reduce your risk of theft should not be on your list. Be sure that your PLM selection comes with support for external authentication and does not require heavy customization to integrate with third-party authentication apps. Can the PLM system provide the granularity you need to control user access on data throughout the product lifecycle? And how easy is it to configure access controls? Can security controls be extended to files that are managed outside of PLM? Can the system provide traceability of formal and ad hoc collaboration with users across your enterprise, both internal and external? And finally, consideration number 5. Is the PLM software and technology partner tried and true? How big is the install base? And how long has the technology partner been around? Is there a risk that they'll be acquired or the software discontinued? And look at their customer base. Are there companies like yours, your size, your industry, and your business problems? If you're a smaller business, is there a way to get up and running quickly and cost effectively? As your business grows, your need for PLM will grow. Can the PLM software grow with you? Does the technology partner have a team of experienced employees that can guide you through large-scale deployments and upgrades with best practices? And how many large-scale deployments have they delivered? Now that you have the right questions in mind, go ahead and test the waters by exploring the #1 choice in PLM. See what Teamcenter can do for you. Learn more and visit Teamcenter at Siemens.com.